Kia Motors has revealed more details about its all-new EV9 electric flagship SUV, including powertrain specifications, dimensions, and features, following a design preview 2 weeks ago. Are you ready for the ultimate automotive experience? Our channel brings you the latest news, reviews, and insights from the world of cars. If you love cars and want to stay up to date on the latest happenings, hit that subscribe button and join us on the road. Kia's first 3-row electric SUV, based on parent company Hyundai Motor Group's electric global modular platform, offers 3 powertrain configurations and 4th-generation battery technology. The EV9 rear-wheel drive standard is the entry-level model, with a 76.1 kWh battery that powers an electric motor with 215 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. According to preliminary data, the Kia EV9 rear-wheel drive standard accelerates from 0 to 62 mph in 8.2 seconds in this configuration. For those who care more about range than performance, EV9 rear-wheel drive long-range model features a 99.8 kWh battery and a 201 horsepower motor for a 0 to 62 mph time of 9.4 seconds, and an estimated target range of over 336 miles on the WLTP test cycle when fitted with 19-inch wheels. The big battery also powers the EV9 all-wheel drive range topper, which features 2 electric motors that together deliver 380 horsepower and a combined 442 pound-feet. In this configuration, the electric SUV sprints from 0 to 62 mph in 6 seconds. If that isn't fast enough, the optional boost feature reduces acceleration time to 5.3 seconds. The boost feature, which is available for later purchase at the Kia Connect store, increases combined torque to 516 pound-feet. Kia did not specify the target range for the EV9 rear-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive models, but did state that the ultra-fast 800-volt charging system adds 148 miles of range in about 15 minutes. The EV9, like other EGMP vehicles, includes vehicle-to-load functionality through its integrated charging control unit, which provides up to 3.68 kilowatts of power for users to charge laptops or use camping equipment, among other things. The Highway Driving Pilot System, which will enable conditional Level 3 autonomous driving in selected markets, where conditions permitted, is the EV9's main technological highlight. HDP will be able to scan for and detect objects in a full 360-degree field of view using 15 sensors, including 2 lidars, to avoid potential collisions. In the future, HDP will be available in the EV9 GT line model. The EV9 also includes the previously mentioned Kia Connect store, which allows customers to purchase digital features and services on demand. This will allow them to continuously improve the EV9's capabilities through over-the-air updates at any time. For example, GT Line's digital pattern lighting grille tech can be further enhanced with the addition of the lighting pattern feature. Remote Smart Parking Assist 2 is also offered as a digital feature, as is content streaming through the vehicle's audio-visual navigation and telematics system. The EV9 also comes with Kia's Digital Key 2, which utilizes ultra-wideband technology, allowing users to open and start their car using their smartphone, even when the key is in their pocket or bag. As for advanced driver assistance systems, the list is very long and includes rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, intelligent speed limit assist, navigation-based smart cruise control, and more. The EV9 is nearly identical in size to the Telluride, measuring 197.2 inches long, 77.9 inches wide, and 69.1 inches tall. The only significant difference is the EV9's wheelbase, which is nearly 8 inches longer at 122 inches. The large dimensions translate into a spacious interior, with 3 rows of seats and 6 and 7 seat configurations. EV9 has 4 second-row seating options, 3-seater bench seats, basic type, relaxation type, first and second row seats recline together while charging, and swivel type 2-seater independent seats. They swivel 180 degrees to face the third row. Kia says the EV9 has an aerodynamic coefficient of 0.28, achieved through the implementation of advanced features, such as a 3D sculpted underbody cover, aerodynamic wheels, and innovative air curtains integrated into the front bumper. In addition to the standard model, unveiled earlier this month, the Kia EV9 will also offer a GT line trim, featuring sportier styling tweaks, such as distinct bumpers, wheels, and roof rack, as well as a distinctive color palette. The EV9 will make its public debut at the Seoul Mobility Show 2023 later this month, followed by a North American premiere at the New York International Auto Show in early April. Kia Motors will open pre-orders for the Korean market in the second quarter of 2023, with sales to follow from the second half of the year in selected global markets. Prices will be announced later. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. If you love this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We are always bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, so don't miss out. Thanks again.